Pheno hunting. We've got a lot of new growers that don't even know what that is. Can you break it down for us? What is pheno hunting?
100%. So, for anyone who has no idea, there's actually two steps you're going to be taking to actually get to pheno hunting. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find a geno that fits what you are looking for in a plant. And a geno is basically just the specific cultivar you're looking for. And then when you get down to pheno hunting, you're going to get a few seeds of that. You're going to pop them all, and then you're going to find the different expressions from that specific cultivar. And that is going to be your pheno hunting, whether you're popping 5 seeds, 12 seeds, or 100 seeds, which we'll get into later. It technically is pheno hunting if you're actively and consciously looking for the different characteristics within a cultivar. And that's a very important distinction when you're looking for terpene ratios, cannabinoid, looking for that ratio, and then looking for, if you're looking for colors, scents, tastes, growth structure to fit your environment. Those are all things that are going to fit into the pheno hunting category.
So do you pheno hunt male plants, female plants, or both?
So up to this point, I have been only pheno hunting female plants and looking for the best characteristics I can find from the packs of seeds I buy. And normally I'll buy packs of seeds from 3 to 10 seeds, and I normally can get a pretty good diversity of phenos within that. But coming up in the future, I'm actually going to be making my own strain, which is going to be exciting. And then I also think I'm going to be pheno hunting Chill Out OG, which comes to me from Mr. Grow It. Again,
Ooh,
thank you for your generosity.
nice.
I appreciate that a lot. And also, I don't know if this is going to be a side note or edited out, but I did want to ask you if it's okay if I breed with that seed, either to make more Chill Out OG as long as I don't take credit or try to sell it or anything like that, or make crosses of it potentially.
This clip is brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrowIt15 to save on any of their products.